In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Farmer Gracie discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here, you'll have to search for Farmer Gracie discount promo codes. Right here, go to this website, which is called retrieve.com, and open it. So as you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one with 20% discount right here, all you need to do is simply tap on this button where it says copy code. And right here, this is the promo code that you can copy. And you can use this one in order to get that 20% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, uh, just just a moment right here. If you scroll down, you should be able to find this website, which is called couponachieve.com. And right here, we also have a list of different type of promo codes that you can also use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get, let's say, this one with 10% of your next order, all you need to do is select get promo codes from right here. And this is the promo code. You can tap right here, copy this one and use it in order to get a discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.